More than 1,200 international students who lost their legal status, including a WVU student and a Marshall student represented by the ACLU, are apparently getting their legal status back after the Trump administration and ICE backed down today. As Bob Aaron reports, the concession in a D.C. federal court has impacts in West Virginia and across the country.
It's about bullying people who they don't want to be in the country to see if they can force them to leave out of fear. And it's about seeing what they can get away with before people stop paying attention.
While the Trump administration was not apologizing for its hardline immigration enforcement, it did tell a D.C. court it's no longer moving against foreign students solely on the basis of names showing up in the national crime computer. It concedes what some federal judges have already ordered, that immigration officials need more before unilaterally dumping the students from the system that allows them to be in the U.S. ICE says it's developing new policies for revoking legal status. The Marshall University student who saw his status revoked because of a misdemeanor arrest he disclosed when he got the visa, and a WVU student whose challenge to the status revocation had not yet reached a Clarksburg federal judge, both represented by the ACLU, will now be allowed to graduate. The ACLU contends the young man became a target because he was a crime victim rather than a criminal. In the action against the WVU student being challenged in Clarksburg federal court, the student in question had been arrested but was cleared after authorities discovered he and his family were victims of a scammer.
This isn't a case of students who came in legally, then committed a crime, and then the government found out about it afterwards. That's not the facts for either of these people.
The administration's action Friday appears to indicate at least a temporary end to pulling an international student's legal status solely on the National Crime Information Center records. In Clarksburg, Bob Aaron, Eyewitness News.